Hello everyone and good morning and welcome to the island of Tortola. So we are getting ready to go off an excursion, and what we're going to be doing on the excursion,
it's a rainforest tour and time to go on a beach as well.
Yeah, so it's already very hot here.
Steaming.
It's steaming. So plenty of water. We're just going to get our things together and we're going to get on off the ship. Well, that was an absolutely manic ride on the way up. I think we might have had Lewis Hamilton as a driver. We're waiting on one more coach to go, a minibus load to come up. The views though are absolutely stunning, but I would advise you, if you come on this tour, to get on the left hand side on the way up. They're definitely the best views. We didn't get a chance to take a lot of the footage of that because it meant we had to reach across other people. But yeah, looking forward to going up into Sage Mountain. Alison's trying to regain her composure after having been thrown around, and I think she's got a bit upset stomach at the minute. But yeah, looking forward to this. Right, okay, that's the shore excursion done with. What were your thoughts on that then?
Yeah, I really enjoyed it. Yeah, so it was Sage, mountain forest walk trek. Actually, it was quite a trek as well. It was quite wet ground around there, so it was very slippery, and you had to negotiate lots of stones and puddles and slippery leaves.
Yeah, it was a bit of an adventure, that's for
Yeah.
certain. And in fact, it slowed a lot of people down, so much so that we never actually got to the viewing point,
Yeah.
which was the second part. All we got to see was the oldest tree.
Yeah, but it
which
was
is
getting there that was the that
Yeah.
was eventful. I don't know what you describe them. Well, these are the taxis or the minibuses for the area, but they're like open sides to them, and the roads are really narrow, really steep, and
some of the driving is a sight to behold.
Yeah.
And it made you feel a
I
bit
was
queasy.
feeling really queasy by the time we got to the top. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So that was the trek done.
Yeah.
And then we went on to Garden Cane Bay, which was lovely actually. Wasn't
Yeah,
it?
lovely
Really-
beach. The sea was just beautiful.
Yeah, it was nice to take a dip in the sea, that's for sure. Unfortunately, we only had 45 minutes to enjoy it, which I think was a bit short, wasn't it? Really, and the beach itself was really, really packed
Yeah.
by the time we'd got there. So the tour itself cost
45, I think, something like that.
Yeah, something like that, 45.
With the
Well,
discount, peninsula discount as well. You get.
Yeah, we'll put the amount down below and let you know. As to whether or not it's worth it, well, I'm in two minds. We'll let you make your mind up from the footage that we've obviously shown you. But anyway, that's behind us now. We're back on board. We just had a bite to eat in the Horizon, and now we're going to do something quite special, aren't we? We've been looking forward to for a long time.
Weather permitting.
Indeed. But if you want to know what it is, keep watching and you'll find out.
I'm going to explain how it all works. Alright? Okay, so if you squeeze both the clip, so if you take it off your next step, give them a squeeze, you'll notice that one is locked and one is unlocked. So it's meant to be like that, it's not broke.
okay.
It just means when you're up there on the course, one will always remain locked on.
Yes.
So it's literally impossible to come off.
Okay.
So you're always going to be safe.
Yeah.
I'll explain how it works now on this little practice.
Okay.
So if you find out what you want to do, you get your open one, you put it straight onto the wire like that, and if you can see this silver pin here, we call that the key, and we call this device the lock. You're going to pop your key into the circular bit there on that lock, and you hear a click. Once you've heard that, it's now closed that one, and it's open that one. So it's reversed.
Okay.
As soon as you've done that, get your second one on there with it. When you're up there, always make sure you've got two on at once, unless you're moving to a different part of the course. So again, find your open one, put it straight onto that wire,
Lock
into
it.
the lock, close that one.
And then do the same with that one.
Before we go, we're going to have a practice on this anyway, but I'll just go through the safety. Yeah, sure.
I'm not sure if this is going to make for great viewing, but we'll see. Oh. Right. Okay. So up we go. So I need to get that one off and then locked. This one off and then I'm on here. Well, first bit done. So now, how are we going to do this one? Right. Yeah, it's yeah. Right. Okay, and then get that one on. Right, and then we're moving. So, let me know when you're ready. You okay? Yeah. Right. Cool. Yeah. I've got to step over the ropes. Okay, right. Yeah. It's a good job you're not busy, isn't it? Right. Is that coming up with me? Well done, darling. Keep going. That's it. You're doing very well. Much better than I was.
I'm not really in at the minute.
Yeah. That's it.
Hold on to it.
Right, so you've got to come up to here. And I will come round here. And I will... Well done, babe. First one done. First one done. Right. Right, okay, so this one is a case of just walking and going. Ooh, ooh. This. Okay, right, so this is very. Right, just take your time on these ones. Yeah? Yeah. So I think the trick is to go to the left hand one first and then this one. Step in the middle, swap. Yeah. Left hand first, this one, step in the middle and then swap. God, I hope everyone at home is not feeling sick with all this movement, but if you're still with us, I hope you're enjoying the view and us making a mockery of ourselves, because it looks like lots of people are now watching us. Just to give everyone an idea while Ali's coming across, this is the view. This is fantastic view. Absolutely amazing. This is an incredible place to be doing this, I've got to say.
At the minute I'm not enjoying the view.
No, you will in a minute, darling. Way. Well done, darling. Well done. Right. You're on? Right, there you go. It was the altitude skywalk that was the little surprise. And I hope the footage comes out. I hope you saw what we went through in order for your pleasure.
That was really exhilarating but scary at the same time. I can't believe we actually did that.
I am so proud of you, because there are bits I was thinking I was going to fall off or whatever. So
yeah, because you have to hold them with your hands and like, they're shaking and red and wet.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh,
Right.
that spider one, wow.
Nearest bar.
Yes, please. Thank you.
Okay, let's go and get a drink.
That's the go bed. Climb like you would have just like the summer down the sea. Have a great evening, have a great rest of your cruise. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, Gareth Gates. Now I do have a question for you, Limelight.
Right, so there you have it, and the end of an eventful day. It started off with being driven around the Tortola F1 track by Lewis Hamilton.
Oh my lord.
Then on a trek to nowhere to see a big tree and nothing
Very
else.
old tree.
And then a whistle stop tour of a wonderful beach.
Oh, lovely. It was lovely to have a swim in the sea, though. I did enjoy that.
And then the special treat for you all, seeing us scared rigid.
Absolutely. I can't believe we did that, but it was fun,
yeah.
I think.
On the high flying trapeze and ropes and everything else. And then finished off with a wonderful evening with the wonderful Gareth Gates.
Yeah.
How would you sum today up?
I think I'm ready for bed, put it that way.
Right, okay. Well, we've got another day. We've got it all to do tomorrow.
Yeah,
haven't
we're
we?
in St Kitts tomorrow.
Yeah, so we're also in St Kitts on another tour.
Yeah, this time it's a private excursion with Caribbean tours, so yeah, looking forward to that.
Okay, all right then. Well, let's hope you've enjoyed this video, and if so, if you wouldn't mind subscribing, that would be a great help. Certainly if you want to see any more of our adventures of this
Or shenanigans.
of this Caribbean tour. Got another few days to go. Yeah, so I guess all that's left is for us to tuck ourselves into bed, and then we'll see you in the morning.
Good night.
So until then,
Good night.
or remain curious.